Hi everyone! Do you have a problems with your pencil sharpening? I did until a couple of days ago, and I discovered a new sharpener. And I went from these little stubby guys to these incredible long points, and they didn't break. So stick around and I'm going to show you what I found. And today I'm going to talk to you about sharpening your pencils. And are you fed up with trying to use one of these? And oh my gosh, this one's terrible. It just, watch this. Not basically nothing happened there. Okay, here's one here. It's kind of got a stubby end. And that's as good as it gets. Okay, well, this is driving me crazy. So I also have this kind, and I've had this for a long time since I had my art supply store. And you go like this, and then you put your pencil in here somewhere. Let's see, it doesn't even fit. Okay, you have to push down on this thing and then open it up. And right, push that open and pull that in and then grind it. All right, this is really fun. And that's as good as it gets. You see that? It's really, really kind of a blunt tip. And for me, it's pretty useless. And I kept seeing these wonderful pencils that other people were using that look like this. Oh my gosh. See the tips? Oh my gosh. They are so amazing. Can you see that? They are unbelievable. Look at that. And I found what they were doing. And they bought one of these. And I kept looking at this and looking at this, and I would look at the price and I go, oh my gosh, I don't want to pay that much for a pencil sharpener. And finally, I got fed up with my pencils breaking. You can see here, look at this, stubby. And here's a pastel one, breaking. It was driving me crazy. And I bought this, and oh my gosh, I ran around the house and I sharpened every pencil. So let's take a look at this, okay? It's like this bomb thing, and you can change how you want your pencils, but I just left it on number 1. And you put your pencil in. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is so awesome. And let's try another one, just like that. Boom. Like less than 2 seconds. Unbelievable. Whereas, you know, you're screwing with something like this and it's just like, oh, clunky, and it doesn't even do the job. So I have a full box of pencils. These are my colored pencils. They're regular Castle Arts. Pretty basic, but look at this. Oh, isn't that awesome? Couldn't you just watch me do this all day? Look at that. I can get a little point here. And the cool thing about this is, so the thing is, when you're doing your drawing, so here's a little drawing on here, and you can go in sideways like this and get more coverage. Isn't that cool? Excuse my notes. That was from a previous video. So let's do another one. Oh, I was so excited to get this. Look at this. This is what I was dealing with. See my little tip here? It's really awful. Oh. And there we go. Nice tip. And then you can sharpen them up a little bit more if you get one of these little sanders. Anyways, well, I can't get that off, but you can, if you want it really, really pointy, if it comes out not pointy enough, there you go. It's easy peasy. It's called an AF mat. Let's try a different setting. What are these settings for? I haven't read the instructions, of course. Let's turn to number 2. Let's see what happens. I'm going to use this one. All right. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm in heaven. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that coverage. Whereas, you know, if you're working with something like this, the stubby, you're not going to get that coverage. It's like you're beating it with a wet noodle. It's just not the same. And then we're going to just put it in there. Oh, this is powerful stuff here. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed this quickie. And if you like doing any colored pencils, watercolor pencils, oh my gosh, I have a ton of watercolor pencils. And here's one right here. And they just sharpened up beautifully. Look at that. Whatever you have, I'll put the link in the video where to get this. But like I said, it is not cheap. These are like, what, $2? And I don't know how much these were. I've had this for so long, but definitely worth it. And you empty it like this. I mean, this is so easy, and you just dump them out right there. Easy peasy and quality. I'm really impressed with this. Like, I've seen all the good artists. This is what they have. And if you want to get to good, this is the way to go. Let's try another watercolor pencil. Oh, here's a, this is a pedigree. No, we won't do that one. I brought a whole bunch of my pencils. This is a Prismacolor right here. Oh, beautiful. Sharpen. Look at that point. It is amazing. And then here is one of these wax markers. Oh, I'm in heaven. Okay, so let's try, here's another Prisma that's never been done, okay? There we go. Beautiful. The thing I wanted to try is a pastel pencil. Let's see if I can find one. Here's what happened to them. So let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now, when I used this, and I have another electric one at home, which is similar, and it just broke off the tips. They just completely broke. And this is not broke. Pastel pencil. There you go. So if you're into drawing and you want a good, your pencils to be good and sharp and long like this, this is the one to get. I'm just blown away. I can't believe I waited so long, because, you know, you've seen me and I have been drawing for the last 2 years. And I just thought, oh no, I can make do, but no. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out my other videos if you get a chance. Okay? Have a great day, and go sharpen some pencils.